Do you know that feeling when you can rely on someone no matter what? Someone who cares for you? Someone who helps you thrive? Who always gives you the best? That feeling is based on trust, and it's the glue in any human relationship. Trust allows us to move forward, gives us wings to take the next step, to grow. It drives us by making us go above and beyond, making us better. That spirit motivates CAF also to try to constantly improve. We believe in having a partnership with our customers. We want them to feel that we care about their interests and needs as much as they do. That's why we never stop. We keep growing. We keep evolving. We keep moving. We understand motion as constant innovation. Only a great company can have the skills, the resources, and the knowledge to achieve a consistency of service and commitment. Moving forward in a positive way, with positive energy, always with sustainability in mind, conscious about how our actions affect the planet, trusting in a better future. Trust in motion.